We typically think that more reasoning equals better results. But what if thinking actually hurts the performance? A recent paper from Tom Griffiths compared both humans and large models on tasks requiring more or less thinking. And they actually found that thinking more with reasoning models actually hurt the results on many different tasks. And when you think about it, it actually makes sense, especially if we go back to Daniel Kahneman System 1 and System 2 thinking, where our System 1 is used on tasks requiring intuitive feeling like reflexes or like quick actions when you do sports, and where System 2 requires much more thinking, where you sit down, calculate, and use your brain. Here, it's actually the same for models. Sometimes it's actually better to have less context to focus on what you know and do the task. In our case, the human case, we can easily understand this for humans in sports. For example, if you try a move in climbing, you will learn by calculating every move, like you should move your arm this way, your leg that way, etc. But when you truly master the move, you don't think about it anymore. You just do the move, you feel it, and it's done purely through System 1. Well, large language models also do that. And for example, in a task where they asked to compare human faces, the models, without thinking, were performing much better. And that in fact really makes sense. It's because the image tokens are much more valuable to truly compare images, whereas trying to describe it much more with thinking tokens or text tokens here makes it much more general and blurry. You can describe the image with blue eyes, a tiny nose, or whatever features. But what really makes the image unique is how each feature relates to each other or just the face itself. So it's much better to have the model really focus on the image tokens and don't add too much noise with text tokens. It's the same for many other tasks. So next time you try a model, don't just try the best thinking models out there. Also try non-thinking models depending on the task, especially if you assume System 1s should work better. I'm Louis-François, CTO and co-founder of Towards AI, and follow me to learn more about AI.